Our family loves to camp, and one issue we always face is finding space to haul all of our stuff. We have a small vintage camper and tow it with a small SUV, so anytime we can increase the capacity of our setup, it's a plus. Today we're going to install a roof rack and basket from our friends at BougeRV and gain a little extra carrying capacity in our Rav4. One of the most significant advantages of installing a roof basket is a substantial increase in storage capacity it provides. With a roof basket, you'll have the freedom to carry extra gear, luggage, or bulky items that wouldn't fit inside your vehicle. Whether you're packing camping equipment, sports gear, or even bicycles, a roof basket offers a convenient and secure solution. By utilizing a roof basket, you can free up valuable interior space within your vehicle. This means a more comfortable and clutter-free ride for you and your passengers. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country trip or a weekend getaway, having ample interior space allows everyone to stretch their legs and enjoy the journey. Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to install a roof rack on our Rav4. Let's get started. All right, here's our 2020 Rav4. And you saw me a while back install roof crossbars. And today I'm going to install something a little different. Now this project's going to include some roof crossbars, but these are going to be from our friends at BougeRV. And what we've got is we've got a kit that comes with crossbars and a basket. And what we're going to use this for is we do a lot of camping, and so we can use that to put a cooler up. Lots of things you can put in there. It'll hold lots of stuff. So we're going to install these crossbars and the roof basket. I'll walk you through it, unbox everything, and show you what comes with it, and then we'll test everything out. And first off in this kit is the roof rack or roof crossbars. And this is what's going to hold the basket, and everything, as you can see here, is labeled with exactly where it goes. That's a perfect thing. It makes it much easier to install. Next up is the actual roof basket itself, and I'll get this opened up and we'll see what's inside. All right, so inside the box we have all the parts we need to put this together, and this will be something we'll have to assemble. Comes with very nice instructions. Has everything in here to tell you how to put this together. All right, got everything unboxed here, and I will proceed to put this together. Alright, that was not hard to put together at all. Instructions are really good, and it even comes with the tool you need to put everything together. All of the hardware is labeled in the instruction booklet to tell you where it goes, and the tool fits all of the hardware, so there's nothing really extra that you need. Just make sure you don't do like I did. Make sure you follow the directions. I get ahead of myself sometimes, and this time is no exception. I put the outside together first before I put the crossbars in the middle, and I had to take it back apart. So read the directions. All right, we're back outside for the next part. We're going to install crossbars up here that the basket mounts to. Now Rav4s come with mounting spots for crossbars. Some of them came with crossbars already on them. This one did not, and if yours does not have them, you will have a plug right here, and you can easily get underneath one side of that plug with either a screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and pry that up and pop it out. Mine are already out because I had a different crossbar on here already. Now to get started with this, I've got everything laid out. These all have stickers on them that tell you where they go. Left hand front, left hand rear, right hand front. And even the crossbars have stickers on them that tell you which side goes toward the front of the vehicle and which is the front and which is the rear. So what we're going to do to start off with is we're going to take these screws all out. We're going to attach them to the bottom of these mounts on the side, and we're not going to tighten these up. We're going to leave them loose. We'll do that for all 4 corners, and then we will set these in to the plugs in the top of the car, and there's a bolt that goes through the top, bolts it down. Then after that, once we have that all in there, then we'll go back and tighten these up. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the bolts in, secure them down, and then we'll put the covers on, and those are locking covers, and they come with keys to lock those with. Once we get that on, we'll go back and tighten these bolts up under here. And the reason why we leave these loose is you need to have enough slop in it to allow these crossbars to move back and forth and center themselves once you get these put on. Alright, this is what it should look like when you get done. Now the next thing you want to do is measure the distance between your crossbars, front to rear. Transfer that to the basket, to the adjustable feet on the bottom. Now to adjust these, I just set the front plates all the way up to the front. Made them the same on both sides. And then I made the back plates exactly 33 inches from the front plate. And that should set these so that they sit centered across my crossbars. Now the way this mounts to the crossbars is, you have these bolts that go from the top down. These straps go over the bolt to the bottom. These nuts get tightened up on this strap, and that straps it down to the crossbars. Alright, so there's your bolts through the top. And underneath is your nuts that you put on the bottom to hold it. Now you want to do this for all 4 corners, leave them loose, don't tighten them up, and then go back and center everything up on your crossbars and then tighten them down. All right guys, there you go. Everything mounted up and centered up. Looks pretty good, I think. All right guys, it's going to do it on the roof rack and roof basket install. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank BougeRV for providing the roof rack and the roof basket. I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the roof rack, roof basket kit that we installed. And once you've done all of that, I think you should go watch this video.